All right, so if we sort of talk about the processes in the hydrologic cycle in sort of a linear order, even though I did say they're all happening at the same time, what comes after evaporation would be condensation. So evaporation has taken liquid water and turned it into vapor and introduced it into the atmosphere. So we have water vapor floating around as clouds. Condensation then occurs and that water vapor turns back into liquid water. So condensation occurs when the temperature of saturated air, of air that's saturated with water vapor, drops. As the temperature drops, the air cannot hold as much water vapor. So the water vapor changes or condenses into liquid water. This is something that we see every day. We don't have to look up in the clouds to see it, and it's very easy to see in everyday practices, like a glass of water, for example. If you have a cold glass of water and sit it on your table, you'll see that it begins to sweat. Well, that's not water coming from inside the glass to the outside of the glass. That is water that's in the atmosphere, that's water vapor coming in contact with the cold glass that's been made cold by the water inside of it, and then condensing the water vapor to liquid water. And that's why you develop that sweat on the outside of your glass. Another good example is this picture of this guy who has his glasses on and they're all fogged up. As many people that wear glasses or go skiing or anything where you're in these cold and temperature change areas, you'll notice that your glasses fog up when you walk out into a warm area from a cold area. So the reason they do that is because your glasses maintain that cold temperature as you walk out into the supersaturated air. So as that saturated air hits your glasses, the vapor in the air condenses to form liquid water.